On the 9th day of Thriftmas, Refashionista Sheri gave to me 9 thrifty holiday party looks, plus the tutorials.
Styling a rather plain yet awesome thrifted dress with coordinating accessories is always in fashion. And if you want to know how I create my perfect red lip, I'll link that tutorial down below for you. But we're moving on to fabulous festive fashion here. We got red, we got green, we got white, we got sequins, we got a whole bunch of festive brooches and even DIY present earrings. And of course, all these tutorials will be down below for you so you can recreate this look. Oh, I absolutely cannot believe how I managed to mend and fix this delightful jumpsuit, and styling it with a bunch of vintage accessories always looks awesome. Next up, what do we have? Oh, this oldie but goodie dress that I thrifted in Berlin, and then all I had to do was shorten it, and it's absolutely stunning. And again, the tutorial behind it will be linked down below for you. I absolutely cannot believe that this came out as good as it did. I had to upsize this blazer and I thought, you know what, let's give it some statement sleeves. So that's exactly what I did using a thrifted prom dress. Here is one of my favorite 80s dresses, and it has super deep pockets. It is a wonderful festive green color. It fits me like a glove and it is super silky and absolutely comfortable. Okay, this one is a bit of a stretch, I think, but hilarious fun to make myself into a 1970s diva. And I truly think this is a perfect party outfit. Next up, we have the queen of the 80s, of course, with this thrifted 80s dress, which pretty sure it was a prom dress or maybe a bridesmaid's dress. And last but certainly not least, my amazing, once again, 80s dress transformation. I made it into a coordinating suit, and you can too with the tutorial linked down below. And here's a little bonus for you. Just throw on the pajamas, throw on the pajamas. Be comfortable while you're at a party.
Tune in tomorrow for the next episode in my 12 Days of Thriftmas.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.